All right, so Damian. So Mo, you have. So what we'll do is we will get all these guys to be on the Discord, so it's easier to chat, right? So let me see, unmute. Atisha,
Yeah.
Can you log into Discord and we will add you to the room.
Okay. I'll come back in 1 second.
Okay,
I already logged in.
Okay.
Tender, do you wanna put in Discord telling everyone about it?
Yeah, sure.
Huh?
I'm already logged in as Cotton Candy 23.
Cotton Candy 23.
I think I added her. Yeah, I added you. Don't worry.
Add her to the Learn to Code room.
Okay. Okay, I got you.
So Advai is busy, Atisha?
Yeah, he'll come back in 5 minutes.
Okay, no problem.
And he's the super gray blob or something.
He has fancy name, eh?
Yeah.
Do you want me to add Advay in there as well? Learn to go?
Yeah, please.
All right. Done. Okay. How do
we'll use that room to say where to go get the Visual Studio Code and everything, and then get everyone to install. Let's try to get up and running today. That's the most important goal today.
Yeah.
Chandu uncle, when I go onto stem1.ca, do I submit the tasks on Discord or over there?
No, on stem1.ca. Everything you submit, you have to submit on stem1.ca.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we have 10 more minutes. That's good. We are doing good for time. So how are you guys doing, Achisha? Are you having too much fun?
No, I'm bored.
Don't you wish the schools are back?
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah, can you put in the instructions on Discord for kids on how to join and everything?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let me...
It's working. I can hear everybody and they can hear me, but.
Okay, so we can do a Word document and do that, right?
I'm gonna go get it.
I do it.
Hey, Ron.
Please connect.
One of the servers down for Discord.
Okay.
Hello?
Can you guys see it? The whiteboard?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Is there any way you can click it? Can you see if you guys can click on the...
I can't.
No, you can't? Okay.
No.
All right. So let me know who connected to the Discord. Welcome, Ron.
Hello,
Hey, Ron. How are you?
I'm good.
Good. So who else do we have? Ron, Damian. All right. So if you guys are here, can you log into? Okay, can you make sure that you log into Visual Studio?
Tender, don't worry about it. I'll run through the entire thing. Don't worry.
Okay, so you're good, right? Okay.
So I have everything. I have planned. Yeah.
Okay.
So. All right. So what time is it? So the only thing, Tender, did you first send a link to everyone?
To Discord?
To wherever. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, the food, okay? She said you could do the class. Hold it.
Okay. Hey guys, how are you doing? Carlos and
Hi.
Jason. How are you guys doing?
Good.
Okay, good. All right. So for you both, we will connect with you on Thursday.
On Thursday.
What?
Thursday.
The
Thursday.
So this is a Monday class?
I thought
No.
today at 5 o'clock they were supposed to log in for Python class.
No, they both are on actually the junior batch because they didn't start long enough, right? We're going to put them on a different batch. It may
Okay.
be too advanced for them. That's the reason, Viveka.
All right. So they need to join this on Thursday at 5
Thursday,
o'clock.
yeah. Now you know how to join, then we are good.
Okay. And so what about today, tomorrow? Is there anything happening online like this, or they just need to go get the work?
In the morning, we have the sessions at home program in the mornings.
But there's nothing to be connected online, right? It's only...
No, you don't need to connect.
Uh-huh.
I unmuted myself.
It's more like it's more like they have to do. They can connect to the Zoom session that we are doing, but they don't need to worry about anything.
But no, what I'm asking is there some Zoom session in the morning, or it's just online what they need to complete the task assigned?
Yeah, mostly they are supposed to complete. In the Zoom session is there from tomorrow. It's more like getting everybody together and starting it. There's no
And that's at 10:30.
lesson being taught. Sir,
that's at 10:30 in the morning.
9.
9
And at
o'clock.
10:30 they will be doing a quiz. Yes.
Okay. All right.
10:30
Okay.
do
All
a
right.
quiz.
Thank you.
No problem. Thanks, Viveka.
Bye.
I'll have to type it in now.
Okay, discord.gg.
You're disconnected, yeah.
What the heck? Wait.
No, go to
Hey,
ESP
Zoya.
page.
Hi.
Mute,
How are you
mute.
doing?
Good. How are you?
You are unmuting.
Good, doing
I did
good.
not mute myself.
Okay.
I did not mute myself.
Can you guys see my screen? Or you can see, what can you see on the screen?
You
I
and
didn't
connect to
to
Discord.
and then the link.
Yeah.
I didn't share my screen.
No, you
Okay.
don't
No,
see
we don't need you to share the screen
Okay.
because we will be doing it. Only if needed, we will ask you to share the screen so that we can see if you're having any problem and we can help you with that.
Okay.
Are we going?
No. Well, be at 5.
GG. बड़ा करो जरा.
Hi, Zoya. Hi.
All right. Are you guys on Discord now? Zoya, were you able to log into Discord?
Yeah.
I'm trying.
I just go.
So
Wait.
who is there on Discord?
PBA. Is this it?
ARE.
All right. I have cotton candy. Oh, we can't.
PBA है ये है.
Who is this blue bucket?
थोड़ा बड़ा करो.
A.
Okay.
Who is blue bucket?
And the uncle.
Yeah.
On the chat, people keep talking about check your rank. What is
इसमें
that?
क्या जोया?
On the
On the
on Discord, it will be ranked based on what you
Let
type
me just
and all
type
those
it in
things.
again. So then I can just copy and paste it from there.
यहाँ से
And the
टाइप
blue
करो.
bucket is fading.
Copy कर लिया ना.
Chandu uncle,
Yes,
I didn't
sir.
copy it.
how do you rank up?
By posting good stuff and
I'll
helping out other people.
मैं यहाँ पे बोल रहा हूँ पता चला
Okay.
माइक बंद है. Imagine if I gave a lecture.
Damian, you wanted to say something?
No.
How are you doing, buddy?
Good.
So what's the most fun thing you guys did during the lockdown? We'll go with one person at a time. Zoya, how are you?
I played video games. That's it.
All right. Okay, video games is taken. Nobody can say that. Now, Damien, your turn, buddy. What did you do?
Watch television.
Come on. What are you watching, Damien?
I don't know, the news.
News? That's how you're keeping busy?
Sort of.
All right. Cool, man. Like you're more smart now. All right. What
Okay,
about
I'm in
you?
your Discord now.
You
Yeah.
good? Good. All right. Atisha, what were you doing?
I learned to solve the Rubik's Cube, the whole
Oh, you
thing.
tried? Were you able to figure out how to do that?
Yeah, I can do it. I solved it many times.
Nice. So that's cool. I need to learn that too. That's
Okay.
good. That's good. Good job. And what about you, Mr. Kaden? Kayan,
Yeah.
how are you spending time, buddy?
I've been drawing I've been going out for bike rides.
Nice. You should share some of your drawings, Kayan. I miss those things. And you should practice your magic tricks also.
Okay.
Cool. Aiza, welcome back. We missed you, buddy.
Thank you.
Good, good. How are you doing? What are you doing to keep yourself busy?
Oh, schoolwork. My school is doing online school.
Really?
Yeah, we're using
Nice. Good for
this
you.
this website too to do all the online school stuff.
Oh, okay. You mean you're using the Zoom?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. That's good. That's good. Well done. All right. Well done. All right. Welcome, everyone. It's really nice to have you all. We have, oh, Ron. Sorry, I forgot about Ron. Mr. Ron, you need to tell something about Rubik's Cube is taken, art is taken, TV is taken. You have a tough one, man.
I made a rubber band ball.
Oh, you made a rubber band ball?
Yeah,
How big is it?
it's about the size of my fist.
Seriously, wow. So you're using a lot of rubber bands, man. Cool.
Yeah.
Nice, nice. Good job. All right. So, yeah, let's see.
Chando
Who are we
uncle,
waiting for? Yes, sir.
you
Oh,
forgot
sorry,
about me.
Advai. Advai. Yeah, what are you doing? I didn't see you here,
Oh,
Advai. That's why I couldn't tell you.
I read books. I watched
Yeah?
the news. I went out for bike rides. I played video games,
And he drew Sonic.
and I did some art.
Art. So you did everything, man.
Yes.
Wow. That's good. That's good. Keep going. That we need to find ways to keep ourselves active and do fun things.
And keep social distancing.
And keep social distancing. That's right. Joshua, welcome, buddy. You here?
Yeah.
Okay. How are you doing? What are you doing during the break?
Me?
Yeah. Joshua.
Well, I just told you.
No, I'm asking Joshua.
Oh,
Joshua.
I think Joshua is not connected to the audio yet. So let's see. All right. We'll come back to before we sign off. We need to plan our next things, what to do. Okay.
I just leveled up for asking what's up.
That's good. That's good.
I
All right.
level too.
Now Mo is going to help you guys out to set up, and I'll be here. If there are any questions, I'll be able to help you guys.
Hey, what
So
are we going to do today?
today we're gonna, that is up to Mo. Whatever he tells, we're gonna do it.
Okay.
Mo, it's all yours, man.
Hello?
Shane Steven.
Hello, hello.
Shane and Joshua are just here. We'll talk to them later. But Mo, you're good.
Okay. Chandu, can you close your screen share so I
make
can
you
do my screen
host.
share?
Sorry?
Can you just close your drawing board so I can do screen share?
Okay, let me close. Stop share so that, okay, you are there. And let me make you host also. So that,
Oh, no, it's okay. I can. It's
sure.
fine. Yeah. You can do the entire screen.
Make host.
Okay. Hello, everyone. You guys can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so everyone knows we're doing Python today, so it's just the first class. I'm assuming that it's, all of you have a little bit of experience. If not, you guys know what Python is, right? Right? Okay.
Yeah.
So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set up our environment or like set up our computers so we can code in Python. So before I start, I just want to make sure all of you have your computer with you so you guys can just follow along, okay? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, once you guys are ready, I'm just gonna go and type in open up your browser. So I'm using Google Chrome. You can use Google Chrome, Firefox, or whatever. So I'm just going to type in python.org. So first thing we need to do is download Python on our computer. And I'm also assuming all of you are using Windows. Nobody's using Mac or something? If you guys are using Mac, can you guys either put it in the chat here or you guys can put it in Discord so I know, because you guys are muted, I think. So I'm just going to go ahead with the download. So I'm just going to go over this download button, and then I'm just going to click on this download button, and it's going to download Python, start downloading, and then just going to walk you through the entire process of how to set it up. Okay. So I'm just waiting for it to download. Just click on it. Yeah. So just click here. Before you go ahead, you just want to make sure you select this checkbox, add Python 3.8 to path, and just say install now. It's going to ask you for permissions. My screen blacked out because Windows. You just click yes, and you just have to wait for it to go through the process. So right now, Python is installing. And in the meanwhile, what we're going to do is we're going to going to go back to my browser and then type in VS Code and just enter. And then Google should show up, what do you call, Visual Studio Code. So just click. Are you guys able to see my screen, or is it still blacked out?
No, yeah, it's still blacked out. You can't see anything.
Still
right.
black.
You guys are able to see my mouse though, right? Okay, what's going on? Just give me a second. I'll just restart this share. Yeah. Oh, you guys are able to see. Okay. Okay. So all I did was just install Python. So did you guys see the entire process of me installing Python until I clicked until the screen blacked out? Right?
For us, it actually, after downloading Python, it actually asks for a password, and my mom's just gonna put it in. So
yeah, take your time. Don't worry.
Is that okay?
Me
Yeah,
too.
yeah.
Okay.
And just make sure you're just like following along. You're not falling too far behind. Okay.
Oh, okay. Okay. Thanks.
No problem. If you guys want me to go over it again, I can go over it again.
All right. Give a hi. Anyone who completed the installing, just tell us so that we can move forward. Okay. Now, so far, Achisha is able to do it, and
Well, my mom has to still put the password.
okay.
No.
Mine
We're
is
waiting on that.
downloading.
Mine's not working.
All right. Let's take 5. Wait for everything to be downloaded.
Mine's not working.
What's not working?
So when I press download, it saved it as a file.
Okay. So my
double click
file
on
is saved in my downloads folder. So you want to open up your downloads folder? You know how to do that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So just see when you find it, just double click on it and it will open up. So for me, it's showing different because I already installed it, but I can, yeah, I can uninstall it. Just give it a second, and I'll reinstall it again.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. It's downloading.
It's downloaded.
I think we got it now.
You guys got it?
Yeah, it's still after the password. It's still downloading while installing now.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah.
All right.
I think mine is done now. Like it's done downloading.
Okay. Just give it a second. Mine's just uninstalling. I'll reinstall it again. It's no problem. All right. So, so you can just go to your downloads folder, and there should be a file called python-3.8.2.exe. So just double click on it, and then it should show up this prompt where before you press any button, I want you to I just want you to press this add Python 3.8 to your path. Just select that button and just click install it, and it should ask for your password or permissions again.
Yeah.
Finished downloading Python.
It finished. Just click on the installer, and then I just showed it again, right? So
I opened it.
What?
Wait, I'm confused.
what are you confused about?
Like after we downloaded Python, it says modify setup.
Modify set. Oh, 1 second. Does it show something like this?
Yes, the same thing.
Okay. Did you by any chance press the select button on the bottom that said add 3.0 Python? Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
Okay, then you have already installed. This is like if you run it again, it will think that something went wrong with the installation, and it will try to reinstall or give you a bunch of what do you call?
Oh, should we cancel it?
Yeah, it's already installed. You don't have to worry about it. Just say cancel and then yes. So is everyone set up now? So it has
Not yet.
Mine, when I pressed download, it took me to something else.
what did it say? Oh.
So it just went to like the backdrop of my laptop, and it says, "Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device?"
Are you using Windows or Mac?
Windows.
Right. So okay. So I'll just show you the thing again. So I went to python.org again, and then I went over this download button, and then I went to Python, this little button here, Python 3.8.2. I just click on it, and it will download. I'm just going to cancel this because I've already downloaded. And then you can just click on over here, or wait, is it showing a big, what do you call, black or grayish box asking you for password or say yes or no?
Yeah, it says yes or no.
Yes. Does it say Python anywhere in there?
So it's like it says Python, but it's asking if it wants yes. The app to make changes.
Just say yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So Shane, are you here?
Yeah. Okay, it's installing.
Yeah. Okay, Shane. You're using a Mac, right?
Yeah.
So Python comes pre-installed on Mac. Yeah. Sorry. Python comes pre-installed on Mac, so I'll show you a way to use Python. So don't worry about it. It's pre-installed, so you don't have to worry about installing it. Yeah. So is everybody ready?
Mine is downloading.
Okay. But you know the steps so far, right?
Yeah, let's take some time to do it more. Let's get everyone set up.
Yeah.
Because once this week is all about like setting up and getting ready and doing a hello world sort of thing, and then we'll be good to go.
Oh, I'm not done yet.
Okay, take your time. It's okay. Don't worry, guys.
Wait, once you download it, their screen has to show like a screen called Python documentation contents. Is that the screen we're supposed to be on?
I'm not really sure what screen you're talking about. Did you open?
Like it already downloaded for me, so I just clicked on it. Like
did you click on one of these manual docs or something? Oh, did it open something like this?
Yeah, kind of.
Okay, don't worry about it. You can just close it. It's fine. You're fine.
Okay.
It says setup was successful. What do you do after?
We're just waiting for everyone to just get it set up. So you just wait for a couple of minutes.
Wait.
Damian and Kyan, how are you guys doing? Are we good?
Yeah, I finished downloading it.
Nice.
I already installed VS Code.
Wait. So how do you download on Mac?
How do you want me to show you the process of how to download it again?
On Mac.
Oh, on Mac. Oh, yeah. So on Mac, Python comes pre-installed, so you don't have to install it. So what you can do is you can press, I believe, I think it's a command and space. Try pressing those, and then your Finder will, or the search thing will come up. Does it show up?
Yeah.
So I want you to type in terminal, terminal.
Okay.
So terminal, and then press enter. Yeah. And then a black window will show up with the terminal, right? Or white, right? And then what I want you to type is Python 3 and press enter.
Wait.
We're supposed to be doing that now?
No. It's not for you. It's just for Shane. Don't worry.
Oh.
Shane is special. He has a MacBook.
Yeah.
Right, Shane?
Yeah.
Why do you echo?
It's just the audio bouncing back.
He's sitting beside his brother, and they both are doing this.
What is this for?
So first, press the command and spacebar button, and then type in terminal. Once your terminal opens up, type in Python 3. Were you able to open Python 3?
Wait.
Does it show something like this? It might not be Python 3.8.2. It might be 3.6 or something. Are you able to do that?
Okay. Kayan, are we good? Are you able to download?
I think I did it.
All right. Good job, man. So the install is complete.
For me, no.
What's going on? Is it still installing or is it downloading? What's going on?
Wait, it's installing.
It's installing. Did you press the add Python 3.82 path? Did you press that button or check it?
Oh, wait a second.
Do you check both of the boxes when downloading Python?
Yeah.
All right, so I got it. My brother needs to get it.
What do we do after it's installed?
It's installed. Is everyone
No, wait.
So who completed the Python, they can go and download the Visual Studio Code, right, Mo?
Yeah.
So or you just want to wait here until everyone is caught up?
Yeah, maybe. I just want to make sure everyone's on the same page.
1 second.
Okay.
So,
I accidentally pressed one of the boxes only.
Oh, okay. You can cancel it, right? You can press the cancel button, and it will cancel, and then you can open the installer.
Okay.
So is everyone ready now?
Yeah.
Almost. I just have to.
Yeah.
So
Wait, what should we type again for Mac?
for Python, you don't have to install Python. Python comes pre-installed.
Okay.
So just wait. So is everyone ready now, right? Everyone has
No.
Python installed?
Yeah.
No, I just have to. I have to remove uninstall the thing because I only pressed one of the boxes and it's still on it.
So you know how to install it now, right?
Yeah.
So okay, so you can uninstall and install it in the background. Let it uninstall in the background and then just follow along, and we'll just download VS Code, and then you can go back to installing it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can go to your browser and type in VS Code,
Python.
and then just click the first link.
Downloaded.
I'm sorry.
I already have it downloaded. Is that okay?
Yeah. So for those who have already installed it, or have it installed, don't worry about it. You can just skip this step or just wait. And then just click download for Windows.
It's not letting me check the second box though. The first box though.
Don't worry about the first box. You just have to you just want to make sure the second box works.
Oh.
Done.
Okay.
Okay. You can install it.
Yeah, it's installing right now.
Okay. All right. So just click on the download button. Wait for Visual Studio Code to download, and and then you just start the installer.
I have a question. What were you doing down there? You click something over here.
Oh, here? This?
Yeah.
Oh, I just canceled the other download. Don't worry about it. You don't have to do it. I already have it installed, so.
Oh.
So you can just click on the installer, and it will open up this pop-up box. Are you guys on this screen?
Not yet.
Is it still downloading?
Yeah. Setup has wait, what?
It says setup has detected that setup is currently running.
Oh, it means you have it setup already running in the background. So see, do you have by chance two windows open? So you can close this window.
I do.
Yeah, so just close this window, the one you just opened. You can go back to the other one.
So what do we do next?
Wait, what did you do?
I just opened my installer, and we're just on the screen. This is the first screen that will show up.
I didn't get that.
Are you on Mac, right?
No, I'm on Windows.
Okay, so what did you get?
So I just pressed download, and then it just went back to the screen where you are, but not with the other one.
To this screen, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You can just, if it did not start to download, you can just click this download button again, and it will redirect you to this page, and then you can just click on this Windows button.
What do you do after setup was successful?
For Python or this?
For
I'm sorry, for what?
For Python and Windows, I finished downloading.
Oh,
so
you finished downloading or installing?
Yeah.
Wait, do I also accept the agreement? The license agreement?
Yes. Wait, so who was I talking to earlier?
Ronn.
So did you download your installer for Python, or are you done installing Python?
I'm done installing Python.
Okay, so you can go to search Visual Studio Code. Can you come to this page? So we type.
Wait, what?
So go to your browser and type
Go
in.
to what?
Go to your browser, web browser.
Yeah.
and then type in Visual Studio Code or VS Code. So you can type in this, the following one. So VS Code,
yeah,
and then search it on Google, and it will literally be the first link that shows up.
Yeah.
So you can just click on it, and then just click on the download button. Yeah.
I think I missed something. Could you go back for a second, please?
Yeah.
Like
So,
no, like what you did before.
Like where you clicked on the download thing.
oh yeah, sure.
Accept.
Yeah. Okay.
The agreement.
Do you mean this page?
Yeah.
Oh, you just accept it and then just click next. Just
Yeah.
wait for me for a second. So yeah, just go to your Visual Studio page. Click on Download for Windows. It will start the download. If it does not start the download, you can just click this download button on the top right.
You can get this though.
Yeah, you can.
No.
Yeah, and then you can just select your operating system from here. Even if you're on Mac, you can just click on this, and it will download your DMG file or image file, and then you can install it. I'm not really sure how the process works. On Mac it downloads or installs. So I think you just right click on it and install, and it should work. So, I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's now. What do you do after it downloaded the Visual Studio Code?
So you just click on it to run the executable file .exe file, and it should show you this page, right? And it should say sorry.
Yeah, so it should show you this page.
Yeah, so you just want to click I accept the agreement, and then click the next button.
When I click next, I don't get that. I get for you it says select additional tasks, but for me it's a select destination location.
Oh, you can just click next. You can just click next. Don't worry about that.
So I click next after that?
Yeah, and then it should bring you to this page.
No, it says select start menu folder now.
Same for me.
Just press enter. That's what I did.
Yeah, just click next, and you should be fine with it. Just.
Oh yeah, I see it now.
Those
What destination thing should it be?
I'm sorry.
It says a select destination location.
You can just press next or yeah.
Okay.
I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
So when I was doing Python, when it wasn't working a few times, so I did it again, and now on my where all my downloads are, it has like 4 of them. It says it downloaded Python 4 times.
Oh, don't worry about it. You just download 4 installers. You can, if you want, you can just delete 3 of them and have the original one.
Yeah, but it's not deleting for some reason.
Are you pressing Shift Delete, or are you just like selecting and then press delete? So if I want to delete, so if I want to delete this file, I can just press the delete button on my keyboard, and it will bring this pop up, and then I can just say yes, and it will delete the file, or put it in my recycle bin.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Don't worry, that's not. It's not a problem. Don't worry about it. So is everyone on this page? Can everyone see this pop up?
What?
Can everyone? Is everyone on this pop up? Can everyone see this?
Yeah.
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 So you can just click create a desktop icon if you want. I'm just going to skip it because I don't need it.
What does it mean by select starter menu folder? What do you do after that?
Oh, you can just select click the next button. Don't worry about it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm on your thing.
So is everyone on this page now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You can just select create a desktop icon, and select next.
We can create a desktop icon.
And then you can press the install button. I'm not going to install it because I have it already installed. So I'm just going to press cancel. You guys press install, and it should start installing. It should.
Wait, do we have to click create a desktop icon?
No, you do not. It's just for it just makes it easier to like find it, unless you can find it in your start menu.
Oh, okay.
You're better off creating that clicking that create desktop icon.
It just makes it easier for you to like quickly open it. Okay. So once you guys are ready, click next and click install, and it should install the same way you guys installed Python.
Oh, where the bar is filling up?
Yeah. It should show the green bar. I'm just going to cancel because I have it already installed. Okay.
Let's see all of you guys, and give a thumbs up when you're done. We're gonna look at you guys now.
It finished. What should I do next?
Do I click finish?
Yeah.
Yes. When the finish box comes up, yeah, and it should open your Visual Studio Code, or if not,
Do we have to show our screens? I mean, no. Do we have to show our faces?
Yeah, show your faces, man. It's okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Hi.
All right. Stop the screen.
Wait, how do you make? Oh, never mind. I
Right. So, Mo, stop the screen sharing for now. Let's see everyone if they got the thing completed. All right. Hey. So, did you guys get the install complete?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, you can't point it to the screen, right?
No, you can. Wait, I can switch cameras.
There you go. Good job. That's perfect. All right. Advai and Achisha are good to go. That's perfect. All right. Damian, my man.
Yeah.
Where are you? I didn't see you, man. There you go.
How do you like?
Good to see you. Good to see you, man. Aiza, are we good?
How do you show your face?
Okay.
What are you doing? Wow. Aiza, nice dress.
SpongeBob.
I didn't do it yet though.
How do you
You
show
done,
your
Aiza?
face?
You able to install the?
Do I have to like do I have to use the camera?
No, you don't need to if you want.
Yay.
Yeah. All right. Now who's next?
How
Ron, buddy.
do you show your face?
Sorry?
How do you like put your face on the camera?
Oh, start video.
Yeah.
If you
it should be on the bottom left.
Bottom left.
Oh, mine's black.
On your computer, if you're using your computer.
There you go. Good to see you, Ron.
Good to see you too.
Nice. All right. Who else is there? Zoya. You, Ron, Zoya, were you able to finish it?
Finish what?
The Visual Studio.
Yeah, I already had it in my browser.
Nice. Good
I was
job.
waiting for you guys.
Okay, cool. Ron, you're good with your Visual Studio install, right?
Yeah.
All right, good job. And what about our Kayan?
Yeah.
There you go. You're able to finish the install, Kayan?
Yes.
Okay. If you need help, nice. Hey, buddy. Is that how you're keeping busy?
Oh my god.
Good. Kayan, if you need any help to install again, let me know. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Thank you. Joshua and Shane.
Yeah, I'm opening.
Joshua and Shane.
Hello.
Hello. I don't see you, man. Where are you, buddy?
I think you have to like.
We should do Zoom on this.
There you are. There you are. Okay. Nice. All right. So you guys are done installing too?
Yeah.
Everybody is there with Visual Studio installed and Python installed.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Perfect. All right, Mo. All yours. Let them do a hello word now.
Okay.
Pretty good. You guys did pretty good. Actually, it took us less than 30 minutes to install for so many people. So you guys did a really good job. Thank you.
Yay.
Okay, so if you guys want to close your thing, you can. Okay, so I'm just gonna do screen share now.
Yes.
All right, you guys are able to see my screen now again, right?
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you guys should have Visual Studio open, and it should be on a page something like this.
What?
Yeah. Yeah, I have that.
Yeah. Just make.
Yeah.
Okay. Who isn't on this window, or who can't see this window? So everyone can see it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
I don't have it.
Did you? Oh, did you? Did you install Visual Studio Code?
I don't have like the same screen as you. Oh yeah, I do. Yeah, I do.
Oh, okay. Guys, if the font is small, you guys can't see. Let me know. I can increase it. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to do is I'm just gonna maximize it. So I just press the middle button here, and then I'm just going to say File, and go and click Open Folder, and it's going to show me a bunch of things.
Could you go slower, please? Sorry, I'm falling
Sure.
behind.
No worries, no worries. I can show it to you again. So I just maximized my screen or my Visual Studio Code window. So I just pressed the middle button here, and it made it smaller and bigger. Okay. So that's what I did, and then I went to the file, and it's on the top left. I just clicked File, and I came down to Open Folder. It's like the fourth option. So just click on it, and you guys should have a window something like this. So what I suggest is either you can go to your desktop and create a folder there, or you can just go to your documents and create a folder there. I'm just going to create a folder here. I'm just going to say new folder, and I'm just going to say Python. Yeah, you can, if you want, you can open it in your desktop. If you want to do it, you can do it in your documents. Okay.
What did you name your folder?
I just named mine Python. You guys can name it Python if you'd like. You can just say, I don't know. You can put your name there. Put anything there. Just make sure that it's easier for you to recognize your folder. Okay. And then once you've created that folder, are you guys all able to create that folder and name it?
No, not me.
Yes.
Where are you stuck? Are you at least on this window?
Yeah.
Oh. Somebody who said they weren't able to.
Yeah, I'm on Windows, but when you press new file, did it already make a file?
Oh no, not new file. It's new folder. Or open folder. Sorry. Go to file, and go to the fourth option. So open folder. Right, this one. Just click on it, and then I'm just gonna go and create a folder in my documents. I already did, and I named it Python. In order for you to create a folder, you just click the new button here, or new folder on the top. Just click on it, and it will show you another thing, and then you can just type in Python there. Okay. Since I already have it. Okay. And then once you've done it, you just select the folder you just created, and then just go down and then say select folder. Okay. Okay. So is everyone able to do that?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So I'm just gonna make this a little bigger. So I'm just gonna click here. This just opens the sidebar or the Explorer tab. So you can see your folder name here. I named mine Python, so Python shows up here. So I'm just going to come here and press this button. It's just a new file button, and it allows me to create a file in that folder, the folder we just created. Okay, and I'm just going to name my first file hello, HELLO underscore. So shift and underscore, or the hyphen button, and then world.py. So see, I typed in hello world.py, and it showed this little icon here. It's the Python icon.
Wait, world.what?
Hello world.py.
We actually did.
Yeah, I got it. Got it.
It said the Python extension is recommended for this file type.
You can just say install. Yeah, just say install or accept or whatever it says. It's going to do a bunch of stuff like this. Don't worry, it's fine, it's safe. You're not gonna break your computer. Yeah, so just accept and install whatever it recommends. And then I'm just going to
so when I clicked install at the when I clicked install, it says linting, debugging, multi-threaded. like that stuff.
Yeah. So does it? Okay. So it says install, right?
They asked
You
you
can
to?
press the install button there.
I was gonna put it like
Why
this.
is it better now?
So
But
it showed
at the corner it says what?
Flint
Yeah.
is not
Yeah.
installed.
Yeah. So you can just click on the install button. It's a blue button. So there should be like
Oh.
3 buttons there, right? Install or something, and then do not recommend or something like that. I'm not really sure, but like 3 buttons. So the first one of the buttons says install, so you can just click on the install button and accept through all of those, and it's going to open a bunch of windows and bunch of what do you call terminals like
Okay.
this. So don't worry, it's perfectly fine. Just click
Okay.
install and
I
just
don't.
and
I
it will
don't have
install it
that.
for you.
Mine says debugging. Should I click install below that?
Yeah, so any of the what do you call blue or any of the boxes or notifications that show up over here, you can just click install on all of them. They're fine. They're okay to use.
It didn't work for me.
So what does it say? Is it giving you an error?
No, it just says Python isn't installed.
Did you install Python?
Yeah,
Oh.
I did.
Okay. Did you when you were installing? Did you press the add to path button?
When I was installing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So over here, there should be a thing that should say select Python yeah. So it should say Python interpreter somewhere here, or no Python interpreter selected or something.
Okay, 1 second.
Did it show it for anyone?
I did what you said, the hello world, and then after I'm not sure. It just started downloading, and then it said Python isn't installed.
Okay, don't worry. Did you type in python hello world.py like this?
Yeah.
Yeah. So does it show this Python icon next to it?
Yeah.
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 Okay. So what I want you to do is go to this run, not run button. There you go. Okay. So here's what I want you to do. Press the control button, hold it, press the shift button, and then press P.
No, that's not for us.
So control, shift, and
P. P for pony.
Yeah.
Wait, how do you bring up the bar so you can type?
Okay, so press control, shift, and P. All
Control
together.
Shift E?
Yes, P for pony or Python.
Oh. Oh, okay.
So CTRL plus shift plus.
Do we write that down?
No. I'm just telling you guys what to press to open that.
Okay.
So Control
So
Shift plus P. I got that. We got that.
Yeah. So you just type in Python space interpreter.
It's not working for me.
Does it not show this bar or what's going on?
Oh, now it is.
Oh, okay. So once it does this, you can press enter, and it should show you something like this.
It says Python select interpreter.
Yeah. Press that or select. It should say select button somewhere there.
It says no commands matching.
Did you type in exactly how I typed it? Did you type in Python Python space interpreter?
Oh wait, I spelled it wrong.
Don't worry. Yeah. So press enter, and then it should show you something like this, and then just select
For
the
me,
first one.
For me, it's just blank.
It
has that. It says current Python, current colon Python.
Okay. So here's what I want you to do. Open your Windows, or press the start button on the bottom left, and just scroll down all the way to P.
All the way to.
So you just scroll all the way down to the letter P for Python.
Yeah.
Right. So I'm just gonna come down. Do you see this Python 3.8 folder?
1 second.
Are you able to?
Mine doesn't have that. It just says paint, people, and photos.
You don't have Python installed.
It said it was installed a second ago.
And
when I search it, it's there too.
Okay. Here's what I want you to do. Press press the Windows button and then type in CMD.
CMD. Okay.
And it should show you something like this. Are you guys able to see this window?
When?
Wait, I don't. When I searched Python, that came up.
Okay, when you type Python,
yeah,
does it show something like this?
Yeah.
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 Try clicking on it, and does it show you something like this now?
1 second. Let me check.
I have a question.
Yeah.
You know how on the side for you it says welcome, hello world.py, Python and stuff? So I have all of that, but then I don't have VS Code for some reason.
What do you mean VS Code?
Like on the side where it's...
Oh, do you mean like this? Do you mean here?
No,
under Explorer.
Yeah, under Explorer, yeah.
Like over there.
Right here?
Oh, that's
but I don't have VS Code.
Oh, .vs Code. Oh, don't worry. So you don't need to worry about that. That's just a hidden file. It's just that I can see all the hidden files on my computer. So it's nothing to worry about.
So I don't need it?
You don't have to worry about it.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry about it. So anything I show you, any file I create, any file I tell you about, just worry about those. You don't need to worry about anything else. Everything else is fine.
Wait,
so are you able to open it like this?
So I tried to do that. So like I exited all my screens and then went to the my first screen, and then it has Python in a file on it. And then if I click on it, it says hello world. It has that file on it too.
Isa, can you go to the command line, press on your Windows button?
Yeah.
Press CMD.
CMD. Yeah.
And more.
Yeah, and then type on Python. Python.
So wait, you want me to type CMD and then Python?
Yeah. So once your black
CMD.
box shows up like this, the command prompt. So just type in Python in there, and then it should show you something like this.
Wait. Can you do it? So I know what to do.
Wait, are you on Windows or Mac? You're on Windows, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So again, press the Windows button, type CMD and enter. When you enter, there is a command prompt that should come up, which is a black window.
Yeah, but it doesn't have the same stuff that yours has.
No. It won't have in the beginning.
Okay, you don't have to worry about it showing any of the... okay, so your command prompt should look like this. Right? Okay, now type in Python in there. Does it say command not found or give you an error, or does it show something like this? Doesn't have to be exactly the same, but should be something like this. Or the first word here should be Python.
So I just type Python?
Yes.
It does, and then enter?
Yes.
Okay, let me try. It just says it's opening. I think it's opening the Microsoft Store.
Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, don't worry about it. I know what the problem is. So you just need to reinstall Python. Don't worry about it.
Oh, okay. So it says get and add to cart. Should I press get?
No, you can just close that. So what I want you to do is, you know how we installed Python? You know, we clicked on the installer?
Yeah.
Right? So just go to your downloads and then just open your installer and then just click uninstall.
So install? Uninstall, right?
Yeah. So just uninstall it and then just reinstall it, okay? So by reinstalling, you just run it again after it's done uninstalling, okay?
We'll wait for you.
But there's like, it says there's 4 of them. When I
click on
just open any one of them.
Ron, are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right. You're able to go to the Visual Studio Code?
Yeah, just what do you do after you press select a Python interpreter?
Okay.
You click on Python.
Yeah, so you just
Yeah,
select
we'll-
your interpreter. So it should show something like this. Just click on it and you're all good.
So I select one of them and press like delete. That's all.
No, you just press. I'm sorry. Which one?
To delete Python.
You can just press. Do you mean uninstall or delete the installer?
Uninstall. Sorry.
Yeah, you just click on uninstall.
It's not working for me.
Yeah, it's not.
Wait, what's not working for you?
When I search up Python interpreter, it doesn't show anything.
So, are you typing it correctly? Python interpreter. Does it show something like this?
Wait. Oh yeah, it's working now.
Perfect.
Yeah. So just press enter and then just select. Okay.
Okay, now.
Yeah.
For the people
Ida,
who are already here,
are you done uninstalling?
1 second.
I have a question. After you have Python interpreter, do you
It's not
click it?
installing it.
Sure. It's not uninstalling. It's not installing or uninstalling.
Okay, so I select it and then delete it, and then it says and then it takes me to the page to install it.
Oh wait. So once you uninstall it, does it take you to python.org again?
No.
Does it take you back here?
No, it doesn't. Okay, this is very weird. When I try to delete it, it takes me to like where we first did it to install it. It takes me to that page again.
Oh,
it didn't. It doesn't delete. It just takes me there.
Then it just means you don't have Python installed. Don't worry. So just click so now click on the add Python to path. So there should be an add Python.
So do the same thing.
Yeah, just select it first and then click install.
Okay.
Just install it. Once you're done, you just come back here, okay?
Also, you know how after you set after when you get the link after typing up Python interpreter, after that link, do you like click enter?
Yeah, you can press enter, you can click on it, you can you'll be fine.
Oh, I have the VS Code thing now.
Okay.
I don't have the VS Code.
You don't need the VS Code files.
Are you talking about this VS Code file? This file?
Yeah.
Oh, do not worry about that. Just once you have this VS Code installed, the Visual Studio this window installed, don't worry about what shows up here. Just worry about the hello world.py. Okay? Don't worry about that folder. I can just hide it. Right. Are you guys all done and have Python installed, right?
It's still installing.
Still installing?
Mine is finished.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, ours is done as well.
But it doesn't. It says. Never mind.
Go ahead. It's okay.
Okay, so while it's installing, it has like it said its setup was successful. It doesn't say like anywhere. It doesn't say anywhere installing.
So the green bar is done, and it just shows.
Yeah, it's done.
Yeah. So does it say open docs or something, or readme or something?
So should I just read it?
Sure. Go ahead.
So it says setup was successful, and then special thanks to Mark Hamilton without those. Yeah, and then it says new to Python. Start with the online tutorial and documentation. See what's new in this release, and then it says disable path length limit.
Oh, don't worry about that. And then you can just click close or finish or done. Yeah. Okay, you can come back to this Visual Studio. Okay, yeah, I see now. Press the Windows button and open CMD again. or command
CMD.
prompt. Yeah, type in CMD, and then type in Python again, and then see if that window opens up again.
Okay.
And there's this Python 3.8.2.
Yeah. So does it show something like this?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You have Python installed. You're good. Don't worry about it. Okay. And everyone is set and ready to go, right?
1 second. So after for VS World, what do I do? Do I do the same thing I did before? Like Python interpreter?
Oh yeah. So you press Control Shift and P all together.
Yeah.
So this should show up, and then you should just type in Python,
Yeah.
select interpreter, or just type in interpreter.
Yeah, I did that.
Wait.
And then you can press. It should show something like this, right?
So for me, it's still blank. It just says current colon Python again.
Here's what I'm going to do. I want you to close your Python, this Visual Studio Code, and open it again.
Close it?
Yeah, close and open it.
Alright. So 1 second. And then do I do the same thing again?
Yeah. You can just say Python interpreter. You don't need to, but you can just go ahead and do it.
It says again Python's not installed, and now it says linter pylint is not installed.
Okay, so if it's showing you that little pop-up, so you can just click install wherever it says install.
Linter pylint, that one?
Yeah, you can just install all of them. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
They're good to go.
And it still says Python is not installed.
You can just say
And then this says download. I can download it.
Wait, does it show right? Okay, click on the download button.
It shows all the the writing and stuff now.
Just like this. Something
yeah,
like this?
but I didn't press download yet, but it shows all that.
Okay, you can just close it, and if it's giving you errors,
no, it's what you have.
It was something like this, right? Don't worry about it. You have it installed.
No, wait, 1 second. So on terminal.
Yeah, it should show something like
this.
this.
It says installing collected packages, all that stuff.
Yeah,
and
so
then it has 2 warnings.
Yeah, I have 2 warnings, so don't worry about them. They're not. Once everything is done, all the pop-ups have gone away. You're good to use Python. Okay.
I don't have any like the codes, like the long codes that you had, like the yellow.
Oh, don't worry about those. But all the warnings from the bottom right are gone, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so don't worry about it. So we're all set. So is anyone having troubles, or is everyone set?
I think I'm good now.
Everyone set? Okay. So now the first thing we're going to do is say hello world in Python. So hello world is just the programming or thing in programming that everyone does. It's just to say hello to the programming world. So what we're going to do is type in print all lowercase p r i n t, and then I put brackets like this. Okay, so I just hold shift and press 9 and 0, and it would put these brackets. And the good thing about Visual Studio Code is that it will autocomplete the second or the ending bracket. Okay. Okay. Does everyone have this?
Yeah.
So now you have to put quotes. You can either put single quotes or double quotes, but you have to be consistent. There's not much of a difference. You don't need to worry about it right now. Just make sure you're consistent with whatever style of quotes you use. You either use single quote or double quote. Okay.
Okay.
So the starting and the ending quote should always match. Okay. So I'm just going to use double quotes, and then just say hello world, HELLO, and then world.
Does it have to be capital?
Yeah.
Not really. You can type whatever you want. Really, you can type your name there. I'm just going to say hello world. The first line. Okay, let's just copy whatever I wrote as is, and then you guys can what do you call make changes to it later. Okay.
Do you have to put spaces between the quotes and the words?
No.
No. Okay.
You don't have to. once we have our line of code, what we're going to do is go over to our file on the left side. If this bar does not show up, you can just go to this button, the Explorer button, and then you can just press it and it would reopen this. Okay. And then what I want you to do is right click on it, your Python file, so hello world.py, come down all the way and go to run Python file in terminal. Okay. So
Yeah.
is everyone here?
Yeah.
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 Okay.
So
and then you can just click on it, and
Oh,
it
yay.
should show hello world. If you guys already have this error, all this like bunch of strings and stuff or warnings, what you can do is type in clear, CLEAR, and then it should clear up your screen. Okay. And
So
then
I
you can
just
just
can we, mine, it says hello world dot py, then hello world under it.
yeah. So if I okay, so I'm just going to
Mo,
run it again. Yeah.
Mo, can we use the green button on the right side?
Oh yeah.
No, above. Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Try it.
Yeah. So it's just going to give you this big thing. Don't worry about it. So this is the path.
Right?
You don't have to worry about it. It's fine.
Okay.
This is just one big string actually, or one big command.
No, but for mine, it doesn't. How yours says hello world just once. Mine says hello world dot py, then under it hello world without the
Did you?
.py.
Yeah. So I think you renamed your you named your file hello world here.
No, both of them say hello world.
So, okay, I'm just gonna clear and run it again. So you want to do the same thing?
Clear it?
So clear. So type in CLEAR, press enter, and it should clear up your console or terminal. And then you can just go up to the right and then just say run Python file in terminal, and it should show you this big string. Don't worry about it. And then after your hello world.py, it should say hello world.
It still says that before. It just says hello world dot py, and then under it says hello world with no underscore or dots or anything.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So this file right here, or this hello world, this one, is this hello world we typed in. Okay. So what print does is just prints whatever you give to it onto your console or terminal.
Okay. No, the H was disconnected from the E because they were both in separate lines. Sorry.
Oh, see, there you go. Right now you're just gonna make silly mistakes. Don't worry about it. As you progress, you can easily catch them before you even run the program. Okay. Yeah. So let's just write some fun stuff. All right. So I'm just going to print, and I'm going to print my name. Okay. I'm just gonna write my whole name.
So you can print whatever we want.
Yeah. I'm going to print my entire name, and then I'm also going to clear this, and then I'm just going to run it, and then see it says hello world, and then print my name, right? So let's try and write something. Write our name. Let's try writing a line about ourselves. So I'm just going to say, so write something along the lines, hello, my name is your name, and then I am however many years old, right? So print, my name is Ahmed, and I am 20 years old, okay? So you guys should have something like this, okay?
Can we put any special characters?
Yeah, inside the strings you can put whatever you want.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm just going to print.
And then after you press enter,
I can write whatever I want between the strings, and it will print it. And run. See, it printed that last line.
So then just when you're done typing, you just press enter, right?
So once you're done writing a code, you can just press Control and S as a shortcut to save, or you can go all the way up here to File, and then
Control
come down
and
save it.
S.
Yeah, Control and S.
Are we supposed to save it?
But after I sorry.
Okay.
After I typed it, it doesn't like read like do itself at the bottom in terminal.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you have to run it again. Every time you save your file or make changes, you have to save it and then run it. So to know if you need to save your file, on top right here, it should show this white what do you call it, circle that should say that you need to save your file. So you
Yeah,
can
it's
just
there.
say Control and S or go to File and then just say Save. Oh, what the hell? And then just say Save, and it will save your file. And it should go away. And then once you're ready, you can just say press the green button.
So did you just press Control S for save?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's there.
press
Okay.
Control S for save. Okay. So is everyone done writing their lines?
Yeah.
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 Okay.
Kayan,
Yes.
are you good, buddy?
I have.
Yes.
Good.
Somebody had a question?
Ron.
Yeah. I clicked like there's this thing called linter, and I click install, and now like a bunch of code just popped.
Oh yeah, don't worry about it. You can press the X over here, the close panel, or
Where?
if so here's what. Just scroll all the way to the bottom, and
Yeah.
then type in clear, CLEAR, and it should make your lines go away.
Okay.
So type it. Does it all go away?
Yeah. They
Yeah.
did.
Yeah. Oh, okay. All right.
Just run Python again.
Yeah, you can just like press the green button and it will auto run for you. Yeah. All right.
Damian,
Okay.
you got it?
Damian.
Damian?
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Good job, guys. So why don't we take 5 minutes break and then we will start again before we look at the project. What do you say, Mo?
Yeah, sure.
Because I didn't put calculus.
Yeah.
So 5 minutes and then we come back over here.
Yes.
Yes. If you want to continue coding, you can. You can print whatever you want, or if you want to take a 5-minute break, you can. We're just gonna take a couple minutes and then just break. Okay.
Okay. Also, how do I save this? Like, how do I get like a file?
What do you mean you have a file?
So wait. So when I say hello underscore world.py, is my stuff
File.
saved?
Yeah. So what you
I
can
clicked
do?
Control S.
Yeah. So it's already saved. So if I make a change, I press or I'm gonna type hyphen there, right? And see, it showed up this what do you call white circle there? Do you see it? So that means that your file needs to be saved. You made some edit. 1 second. Yeah. All right. So you made some edit, and then you need to save.
I don't have a white circle though.
I'm sorry. If you don't have the white circle, don't worry about it. It just means you have your file saved. You have your code saved. It's just an indicator for you to know that you need to save your file.
Can I go for a break now?
Yeah, you guys can take a 5-minute break. So we'll start back at 6:15. So you guys have 4 minutes or so.
Thank you.
No problem.
When is the when is this gonna be like finished?
6:30.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
No problem. So does anyone have any questions? Any problems that came up?
No.
No? Okay.
I have a question. Do we cut the call and join back, or can we like still be on?
Yeah, we're gonna be on. If you wanna cut the call, you wanna put the call on mute, you can do anything you want.
No, it's okay. I'll just stay.
Okay.
I'll stay and then. Hi.
Hello. We are missing Harshit and Kumar. Anyone else we are missing? New Monday batch?
We can do a roll count. A roll call.
Yeah.
Can you do that?
No, I can see everybody here, right? We can see
Yeah.
them. Ron, Isa, Damien, Kyan, Joshua, Steve, Shane, Advay, and Achisha, and Zoya.
Yeah.
So Kumar and Harshit are missing, and then we need to figure out a day for Justin and Sai. Justin and Sai, those 4 people.
Just inside afternoon. Okay. Yeah. We can do that. Anyway. Do you want me to still continue the stream or? It's been on for
Stream.
1 hour.
Yeah.
Almost.
No,
Leave it on until
leave
the
it
end of
on.
the
Leave it
lesson.
on. Yeah.
Okay. Hey, should I tell you about the final project here or?
Which one?
The final project for today.
Final
Actually, it's okay. It's okay. I have.
Yeah,
I'm gonna send you something. Check your Discord.
Okay.
I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Are these classes going to be every single day?
No. Come on, man. Are you kidding me? No way. Only on Tuesdays.
Oh, okay.
Why do you like these
Unless
classes
you
so
want
much?
it every day, Kyan. You want it every day, Kyan?
Not every day, but every 2 days would be okay.
Wait, but then won't we have a class on Thursday?
No, you don't have on Thursday. Only Thursday is for the different batch.
But that's for scratch.
Yes.
That's for scratch.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hey, I sent you the questions. Can you look at it? Tell me if they're okay for today.
Yeah, I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Is Zoom on like a mobile too? Because I want to know if I could do it on my phone and then use my laptop for all this.
Yeah. I think if you minimize Zoom, it will put it in a small window on the top right or somewhere on your thing. So you try that?
Yeah, I just want to see because it's gonna be easy for me. Because
Yeah.
when I do like the small window, like I barely can see anything.
Okay, so here's what I want you to do. Oh, you can't. I think you can.
Like I can see stuff, but I can't see it clearly.
Yeah. Oh, I see. I'm not sure how you can increase the size of it, but
what are you trying to do? What are you
if I can use Zoom on my phone, so I can see both screens at the same time.
Oh no,
Yeah,
like whatever we are sharing. Oh, you mean because okay.
It's hard to see and type at the same time, right? So yeah, you can do that.
Yeah,
your call.
True.
There.
So
No, see.
Can I leave and then come back on my phone?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah. So moving forward, you wanna just.
All right. No. I like more. I like what all the things that you have. You can give that as homework and let them ask any questions they have, and then we'll see. So, Sudiksha, welcome to the first ever class.
Hi.
Oh, hello.
I just joined in. Sorry, I had a class going on previously.
No worries. Like we did our first class today. Now everybody got set up on Python. All these guys, they're gonna have their homework now, and they will be asking any questions they may have. Mo, what you can do is you can put all the homework on here, and also we'll share it on Discord.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So Sudiksha, how are you doing?
I'm doing good. It's been a very hectic couple of days with the pandemic going on, but I'm doing better than.
Are you back in Britain?
Sorry.
Did you forget there was a virus going on?
No, I did not. What I was thinking, like, because you're like in Toronto. because that's where it started. So
yeah, but my parents brought me back home, so I'm safe in Milton now.
yeah. Do you have to, what do you call, do online class, or you have to go in person?
No, I still have to do online classes.
Yeah.
Okay. How often are you online classes, Sadiksha?
It's the same exact schedule as before. It's just instead of it being in person, it's online now. So it's still a full time. I'm still a full-time student.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. So you guys are also back the same way, Mo?
Yeah. I had math like at 8 a.m. Like,
Wasn't the
8
class
a.m.
supposed to start by now?
oh. Yeah. Oh. Not bad.
6:18.
Chandru uncle,
Yes, Sachisha.
you know how in the beginning of the class you told us what we were up to? I made something,
Yeah.
so can I show it to you now?
Yeah, sure. Why don't you share it on the Discord channel
Oh, can I
so
post a
everybody can
picture?
see? Yeah, you can
Oh,
paste it on Discord channel in the Learn to Code room. Here, I will
okay,
say.
okay.
I have a question.
Yes, buddy.
Am I allowed to eat while doing this?
Wait, what?
Sorry?
Am I allowed to eat while like having this?
Eat?
Yeah.
Of course. Of course.
Oh,
Can you
okay.
share?
If you were here, yes, but you're not, so no.
Yeah. As long as you're not like chomping in the microphone, you're
No,
good to
no,
eat.
no, I'm not gonna. I'm gonna mute it. Okay, thank you.
All right.
No worries, Aiza.
I think we should start now, right?
All right. Yeah. Now show the homework and then see if they have any questions. And you guys have 1 week. By the next time, by the next week, you need to create a file which is week1.py and have all these things done.
Yeah. All right.
Are you gonna share this in the Discord or
Yeah.
something?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you guys see this, or is this too small or too big?
It's good.
It's good. So is everyone here, right? I'm assuming.
Yeah.
Okay. So so for this week, I'm gonna give you guys 3 things to do for your homework. They're very easy. Yeah, 3 questions or 4. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to run you through how to do them, but you have to do it yourself. Okay. So the first question is print your
Do I
name.
have to go on this website? Or
This will be, by the way, you guys need to do the journal also, like what you did today. And this will be more. Can we put this as a task on Python 101 course for all these guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, we will have it as a task on Python 101 course for you. You will see it. Right now this week we will have in all the different places, like on Discord, on STEM1 website, and if you need, we will send it to your parents also on WhatsApp. But from next week, it will be mostly on Discord and STEM1 website. If you have any questions, you can always chat with us on the Discord. Make sure that you complete your journal today, like what you usually do when you come to STEM1.
Okay, so I'm just gonna run you through like how to get some of the content here. So what you can just do is open on your browser. You can just search up ASCII art, ASCIIART generator, and you can use the first one to generate an art like this. So I'm sure you guys have seen it or used it somewhere. So what I want you to do is print your name or type your name in here. I'm not gonna print mine because mine's too long. I'm just gonna say Bob, and then I want you guys to print this out print this out and save it in a file. Okay. That's I'll put this in, what do you call, sorry. Yeah, I'll put this on Discord, so you don't have to worry about like copying yeah, following along. Just follow along and just see how what I'm explaining. You have to like worry about me not giving it to you. I'll give it to you all the content. Okay.
Do I go to this website and then type in my name and then copy it to the
Python.
Yeah.
Yeah, just like how we did print. So this problems, the 4 problems or 3 problems I'm going to give you, they are print based. So the only thing you would need to use is the print function here.
Oh, okay.
Right. So you need to print your name using ASCII art. Okay. The second question is search a random fact on the internet about cats and print it to the screen or console. So I interchangeably use screen, console, terminal, but they all mean this thing. So this terminal here is the same thing as console or screen or terminal. Okay. So what I want you to do is search online for what do you call a random cat fact, and then just print it to the screen. And the second last question is print the instructions on how to wash your hands. So this is my example, how I would print out, or how my code, when I write my code, how the output should somewhat look like. Okay, you don't have to worry about the quotes here. And then lastly, just write a poem.
Can we write any poem?
Yeah, any poem. So I just wrote roses are red, violets are blue. I can code in Python too. Okay, so these are very simple and easy Python problems. You guys should be able to do it, right? So if anyone has any questions, concerns, comments, last time.
I have a question.
Yeah.
So for the first one where you have to print your name.
Yeah.
It looks like it's like multiple lines.
Okay, so
like,
you mean like how I printed it here?
No, but like how you type it, it's like 3 different lines when you type it, even when it's all together in one, like together beside each other.
Okay, let's just say okay, I'll just show you an example. Let's just say I want to print the letter A, right? And then I'm just going to choose the font big. Okay, so like this, I'm just going to go.
All those dashes, like you have to go like line by line by line. So
Yeah.
when you're writing it, when you write print, do you have to do multiple lines or just one line?
Multiple lines. So I'll just show you an example. So let's just say I want to print the letter A. So I'm just going to come down. I'm just going to say I can just do is print it like this first, and then I can just come here and just say print bracket and then quote. I'm just going to copy and paste it because it's easier. So you guys would just have to type it out. It's not that hard. Okay.
Oh, so
yeah, that's what I wanted to know, if we have to do it like that or
so we print it for all the lines, like.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And after we do all of this, do we just press like Control S and then it's saved? Then we're done?
Yes.
Okay.
Also,
yeah.
I have
Go ahead.
You know how? So, do you write your name on like one single line, or can it go down?
If you want, you can write it on a single line, or you can have it on multiple lines, like I wrote Bob. Like I wrote Bob here. I know it'll be harder if you guys write it on the same line, so it's just easier if you do this. Okay?
Oh, okay. Okay.
So I'm just gonna save it, and I'm just going to run it, and oops, it gave me an error. So the error it gave me is in Python, you can't have, oops, I'm just gonna make it bigger. So in Python, when you put this and space together, it doesn't like it. So all I want you to do is just add a space after every backslash. Okay? You guys get it?
No, I'm confused. What do you mean?
So every time you put a backslash, just put a space after it, so the Python doesn't crash. Okay?
Oh, for all of them?
Not for all of them, just the last line. The
last is close to it because
yeah, any time backslash and any type of quote is written together, just add a space in between.
Just for the last one?
Not the last one. Anyone.
Oh, because they all.
In
Okay,
this scenario,
yeah. Yeah, I get it.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm just gonna save it and run it again. and bingo, there we go. It prints out the letter A.
Nice.
Right?
Good
So
job,
either
man.
what you can do is you can either print it like this, or like on a letter by letter, or you can just put all of them together in one line and then just print them together. Okay.
I have 2 questions.
Sure.
First of all, what are those like yellow types of lines under?
Oh, so yeah. So sorry. So remember, for some of us, it was giving us this error for linting.
Like
right?
the one it's like
the linter,
like
right?
yeah.
Wait, error for what?
Wait,
Like
oh,
it's not
Linter,
installed, like that type
LYNTER,
thing.
yeah,
I think.
yeah. So a linter is something. So you know how you have a lint remover for removing lint from your clothes, right?
Yeah.
Because nobody likes lint on their clothes. So for Python, a linter is similar, but what it does is it just says it's bad practice to use it. So right now, you guys don't need to worry about it. It's not a big problem because you're just learning it, Python now. So you don't have to worry about any of this. So you can ignore it unless you get any errors. Don't worry about it, okay?
But
And
what if you get an error for it? What would you do?
You shouldn't get an error because of this. At most, you could
Okay.
get a warning like this. It would just say
Yeah.
anomalous backslash or something. It just says you can't do that,
Okay.
or it's bad practice.
Okay.
So
And
don't worry, I'll enforce
Yeah.
the good practice in
First,
yeah.
first focus on regular printing your name and all those things, and then do the ASCII art.
Yeah.
Okay. And my
All right.
second question is, if we need any help, can like when we're using Discord, if it's like harder to type, can we call or we can't call?
So what
Just
you can,
message here first. Next Tuesday is again a class. But if you really have any questions, you can post it. If you need to call, we will be able to help you. Don't worry.
yeah. So if you need, okay, I'll just show you something. On Discord.
Chandu uncle,
Yes, sir.
I couldn't hear you that well because your voice was breaking.
Okay, sorry about that.
Okay.
If you need any help, we will be there. You can always call, but first post it in the Discord so we can try to help you there.
Oh,
Okay.
So I'm just gonna
All right.
create a test channel, and then I'm gonna show you how to submit your code if you have any questions. Okay. So I created a test channel here, and then in order for you to copy, if I want to copy and paste my code, what I can do, first I'm going to select all of my code. So what I did is press Control and A at the same time. It selected all of it, and I can right click on it, and then I can come down here and just say copy, and it will copy my code. And what I want to do is go back to Discord. I want to type 3 backticks. So backticks are that button right next to the number 1 on your keyboard on top. It's right underneath escape and next to 1. You guys see it?
Yeah.
So if I press it, and it's going to give me this weird tilde or backtick. It's not tilde, it's a backtick. Yeah. Yeah. So backtick is 3 times, and then I'm going to add 3 more to end it, and then so I want to make sure I have 3 on the top and 3 at the bottom, and then I can just say I'll come here and then just paste my code here.
Okay.
And then I press
Oh,
enter.
so we paste all of our code on this
Discord.
Yeah, if you have a problem and if you want to send out your code, right?
Oh.
So and then
Wait,
you can
do we have to do this?
No, you don't.
No, if you need help.
Yeah,
Oh,
if you need help
okay.
and you don't understand anything about your code, you can just paste your code here, and then see all of my code came here. Remember all of it what I typed.
All
Yeah.
right. So, Kayan, what we are saying is here you can the work that you're going to the homework you're going to do is going to be shared, and once you have it, you can use that to do the work. If you have any questions, that's when you use Discord to talk to us.
So where do we submit our actual homework though?
On stem1.ca LMS.
Oh, so I just copy all of mine and then paste it there?
Yeah, we will see about that by the time that you're done. Once you're done, keep your file.
Okay.
We will figure out how to look at the code.
So what I will do is I can possibly create a what do you call submissions folder for you guys, and you guys can just submit it there. Okay. I'll send you guys the instructions with the homework when I post it. Okay. So don't worry about it.
Okay.
Okay.
Before we sign off, I want to just start the video. Mo, are you done?
Yeah. So does anyone have any questions regarding
I
the?
have one question.
Yeah.
Is there a way to like see all what you've written in Python in a file?
Yeah. Don't worry. I'll post my code as well. So anything I write, I will post it for you guys.
So when we're writing our journal or we're submitting our homework, do we copy paste what you've written, or is there like a file we have to put in?
You write about what you did.
But for the homework.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Even for the
let's
homework.
just say let's just say I am doing this question, right, or this problem set. So I just put problem set, and then just say problem set 1, because this is going to be our first problem. The first problem. One second. Problem set 1. So this is going to be the first problem set that you guys will be doing. Okay. So what I want to do is go back to your Visual Studio Code. Every time you get a problem set, what I want you to do is come here, create a new file, name it problem underscore set underscore 1.py.
Wait, you made a file or something. So do I do that too?
Yeah. So this is what I'm doing. So every time I need you guys to do a problem set, or I give you any questions to do, here's what I want you to do. Come here. I'm just gonna delete this.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to come here, click on the new file button here, and then I'm just going to say problem underscore set underscore 1.py. I'm just putting underscores in between because it makes it easier for you to read. Okay.
Where are you going to post the homework?
I'll post them both on what do you call STEM 1 site, and as well as I'll post them in what do you call learn to code folder.
Okay.
Also, you know how you were creating like a file? Do I do that too? Because I only created it on the
Oh wait, are you talking about the problem set file? This file?
No.
When I did this?
Yeah.
Oh no, don't worry about this. Don't worry about this. Just skip that. Okay, just come to this. So once you have this py file, so what I want you to do is first I want you to print. Don't worry, I'll give all these instructions more clearly when I post the problem set. So I want you to do is print your name. So just type in name. Don't worry, I'll give you this. What do you call placeholder text, so you guys, it makes it easier for you guys to read. So first I want you to do is print my name, or print your name. So I'm going to print my name. Then I want you to print program. So that would be learn to code, right? And then I want you to print your file name. Actually, don't worry about file name. Just write problem set. So type in problem space set, and then you put the problem set number. So this is going to be the first problem set. You would write this on top of every single one of your files. I will give this code when I post the what do you call the homework, and then underneath. So every time you want to do, sorry, go ahead.
So where do you put this code again?
This would be on top of every single one of your problem set files. Don't worry, I will post this with the homework, and I'll put them in clear instructions. Okay.
And also, so let's say we get our homework next class. Would it be problem set 2?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, it would increment one by one. Okay. And then so every time, so I have this problem right here, right? So this print your name to the screen. Your name should be written in ASCII text. So I can just simply copy it, and then I would write, print, and then I can print the question, and then underneath I would like print out all of my solution. So I write my code underneath here. So I wanted to print my, I want to print out the letters A, or print out my name. Let's just say my name is AA. I would print out like this. So if when I run this, it's going to do that. So my program looks like this. So name, my name, then the name of the program. So learn to code, and it would say problem set, the problem set number, and this would be the question. So print your name to the screen. Your name should be written in ASCII text, and then underneath it is my solution, the AA. Okay. You guys get it, or is it too much?
Yeah.
Is it overwhelming?
Let's look at everybody's face once. I just want to see how you guys are doing. Right. Yeah. Stop the screen. Yeah. Okay. All right. So are we all still alive and not sleeping? Okay, you guys look much excited. That's good. That's good. Oh yeah, this is good. Wow. Did you write? Did you color it or did you do it?
I did all of it.
Wow, it looks really good. Good job. Nice. Zoya, where's your art?
Thank you.
I didn't do any art.
Yeah, wait a second. I'll come back.
I didn't do any art.
All right. Good job. Good job. Shane, you're not sleeping, man.
No.
I see something in the back, Shane. The medal.
Oh, that's the FLL one.
Good, good, good. All right. Okay. So how is it today? You guys need to give some feedback how it is.
It was fun.
It was fun?
Also, my dad wants me to do this.
It's good.
Okay. Kayan, are you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a bit confusing because you haven't done this before, Kayan. It's a little harder, but we will be there together. We will make it work. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Damian, are we good? Damian.
Yeah.
Are we good?
Yeah.
All right. So all of you guys are gonna finish the homework by next week, right?
Yeah.
All right. That's good.
Wait,
Ron,
where are we going to post it on?
STEM1.ca learning management system, that the portal that you usually log in and do. Can you guys spend like 5 minutes and write the journal for today?
Okay.
Yeah. So you don't forget it.
I have a question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when we're doing our journal, it's like there's a part for photos and videos, right?
Yes.
So since like we're on laptop, and I like there's I don't think there's a way to screenshot. Is there a way? I'm not sure. So do we upload anything?
You can screenshot. You can use snipping tool.
Yeah, but like, do we have to upload stuff, or is it like we don't have to?
Right now it's a mandatory field. I will remove that one, but it's something good. Like if you add any code, just copy that one and screenshot it and paste it.
Because I have no idea how to screenshot it.
Okay. So that's your task one, Isa. Figuring out how to screenshot. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And Ron.
Yeah.
What's going on, buddy?
I'm doing my journal.
Good. Perfect. All right. Did I miss anyone?
No. Me.
How are you? All right. Good job, guys. Thank you so much. You did really good. And if you have any questions, you can always ask us on
Discord.
Wait, I'm on the website.
Yeah.
So where do I go to post my homework?
So your journal, like on a regular day, you do your journal, right?
Yeah.
Do the journal first, then we will figure out how to do the homework submission. You have a week.
Okay.
Next Tuesday, 5 o'clock.
Okay. Wait, we post it next Tuesday?
Before next Tuesday, 5 o'clock, you need to post it.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I finished the homework. The journal. Sorry.
Oh, I finished.
Good job. All right. So if that is the case, see you all next Tuesday. Have a nice night.
Okay.
Guys.
Bye.
Bye, Mo. Thank you so much. Good job, Mo.
Oh, thanks.
Did Mo did a good job today?
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice.
No.
I figured it out.
All right. Take care, guys.
Okay, bye.
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 Everybody.